Next problem. Find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal non-zero intercepts on coordinate axis. See here, intercepts. So what are intercepts? So we have two types of equations which have intercepts. One is y is equal to mx plus c. This is a slope intercept form of line. In this we have only one intercept. This is c, and that c is called y-intercept. And one more intercept form of line is there. We have both the intercepts. One more equation of line we have x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. In this equation we have both the intercepts, that is x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. Now in this problem, find the equation of straight line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal intercepts. Intercepts, that means he is referring both the intercepts. So we need to assume the equation of line as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 because both the intercepts he is referring. And in the question they gave non-zero intercepts. The meaning of non-zero intercepts is, it says that a value and b value are not zero. The values of a and b are non-zero numbers. Other than 0 we will get. Okay, so they are non-zero numbers. Suppose if they are 0, what will become? X by 0, not defined. Y by 0, not defined. That's why he has used the word non-zero intercepts. So we have to find out an equation of line cutting off equal intercepts. I'll tell you what is equal intercepts. So as he is referring intercepts, both the intercepts, I'll assume the equation of line as, let the equation of line I assume as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. After assumption, what I do, it is given that equal intercepts, that means see. Now draw this. This is a and this is b. This is the intercept form of line. Now origin to this point a is x-intercept, that is denoted by a, and the point we denote it as a comma 0. Right? Now the point from origin to b is nothing but y-intercept, we denote it as b, and the point on y-axis we write it as 0 comma b. Okay. Now it is given that x-intercept and y-intercept are equal. It is given in the problem. See, cutting off equal intercepts, that means x-intercept and y-intercept are equal. That means what is given? It is given that a is equal to b. Okay, now I'll substitute. That means x by a as it is plus y by, instead of b, what is b is nothing but a is equal to 1. Now we can write this equation as x plus y by a is equal to 1. Just cross multiply. X plus y is equal to a. Put it as some equation 1. Now here we need to find out the value of a. How to find the value of a? See, how to find the value of a? And one more condition, what they gave, the equation of line passes through minus 4 comma 5. That means equation of line, that means this line we are going to find, AB we are going to find, this AB is passing through the point minus 4 comma 5. Okay, remember, whenever a point passes through the line, now what is AB equation we got? X plus y is equal to a. We need to find a. Now whenever a point passes through the line, that point minus 4 comma 5, we have to substitute in this equation. Substitute means what? Instead of x you write minus 4, instead of y you write 5. So I'll write minus 4 comma 5, but minus 4 comma 5 passes through equation 1. It is given in the problem. It passes through equation 1. So what is that equation 1? It is x plus y is equal to a. Now what is x coordinate? Minus 4. Y coordinate is 5 is equal to a. So what is a value we are getting? A value is 1. Now after getting a value, we have to substitute back in this. Why we have to substitute back? Because what we have to find equation of straight line. So that a value I'll substitute back. So therefore, what is the equation of line we are getting? The equation of straight line is x plus y is equal to a. See here, I'll repeat. First, we'll assume the equation of line as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is making equal intercepts. That means a is equal to b. So in the next line, what I'll do, instead of b, I'll write a. I'll just simplify this. I'll get x plus y is equal to a. But x plus y is equal to a is not a complete equation because we don't know the constant. So in order to find the constant, they'll give a one more condition in the question if you refer back. That is, the equation of line passes through minus 4 comma 5. So whenever a point passes through a line, we have to substitute that point in the line. So minus 4 comma 5, I am substituting in the line. So I'll get the value of a. After getting the value of a, just substitute back in the same equation. X plus y is equal to a. What is a value? 1. So this is the required equation of line. This is important problem. So next problem, find the equation of straight line passing through minus 2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Here the sum of intercepts is given as 0. So as they told intercepts, I am assuming let the equation of line we assume as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. After that, what I will do is, it is given that sum of the intercepts. Now here, a is x intercept, b is y intercept. That means it is given that the sum of the intercepts, that means a plus b is equal to 0, right? Now from here, I'll find out what is b. What is b? B is nothing but minus a. Now I'll substitute back this in this above equation. That means we get x by a plus y by b. I'll not write b. What is b? B is nothing but minus a. I'll write minus a is equal to 1. So the next step what I'll do is x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. See that you have a same denominators. Here a and minus a is there. I'll just write it as the same denominators. X by a minus y by a is equal to 1. So now what I'll do is x minus y by a is equal to 1. X minus y by a is equal to 1. Now just cross multiply that a. So what will get if I cross multiply? X minus y is equal to a. Put it as equation 1. Okay, now here we have to find out a line. X minus y is equal to a. A is a constant. Now we have to find out that constant. How to find the constant? Again they will give a condition. Minus 2 comma 4 passes through the line. So passes through which line? First equation only. So here I will write. But minus 2 comma 4 passes through equation 1. So this minus 2 comma 4 I will substitute in this equation. So that is minus 2 minus 4 is equal to a. Minus 6 is equal to a. So a value is minus 6. After getting a value, I will substitute back in this equation. So that is x minus y is equal to minus 6. Okay, so I am substituting back a. X minus y is equal to minus 6 is the required equation of line. See, this problem is completed. So practice these problems. These are very important problems.